Think you've seen it all in the kitchen? Think again! These wild Amazon kitchen gadgets are about to flip your cooking routine upside down. From time-saving tools to space-saving wonders, these clever finds under $50 will totally upgrade your kitchen game in 2025. Get ready to whisk smarter, cook faster, and clean up easier, all without blowing your budget. All product links are right down in the description, so let's dive in. First up is the Whisk Wiper, a brilliantly simple tool that every baker needs. It slides onto your whisk to wipe off every last drop of batter or frosting. No more scraping with your fingers or wasting good mix. But here's the twist. It also acts as a stand, keeping your whisk upright and your counters drip-free. It's perfect for anyone who bakes frequently or meal preps in batches. Picture this. You're making pancake batter, you whisk it up, and instead of creating a mess, you just wipe and pour clean and smooth. Next, meet the ThermoPro TPO3, your new secret weapon for perfectly cooked meals. This instant read digital meat thermometer gives you a temperature reading in just 3 to 5 seconds. No more guessing if your chicken is done or if your steak's still mooing. The foldable probe and backlit display make it super easy to use in low light or crowded kitchen conditions, while the auto shutoff preserves battery life. Whether you're a weekend grill warrior or just want to stop overcooking dinner, this is the tool for you. Say you're making a Sunday roast you poke, check the temp and boom, perfectly juicy every time. Bonus, it includes a built-in temperature guide right on the body, so you don't need to Google what medium rare means again. And finally, let's talk about the OXO Good Grip Sinkware Caddy, a sleek little upgrade that makes a big impact on kitchen cleanliness. It's designed to hold your sponges, brushes, and scrubbers while letting them air dry properly. The built-in drainage holes and removable drip tray keep everything dry and clean, no more soggy sponges sitting in mystery liquid. The divided compartments keep tools upright and easy to grab, making it ideal for small kitchens, shared apartments, or anyone who likes their sink area looking tidy. Just drop in your sponge after washing up and let it air out naturally. Plus, the stainless steel look means it matches modern kitchens while resisting rust. The Eucopia Store-A-Lid Container Lid Organizer is a total game changer for your cabinet or pantry. It features adjustable dividers that help you neatly sort and store all those pesky container lids in one easy access spot. No more digging through a messy drawer just to find the right top. It's perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who loves an organized kitchen. Imagine prepping lunch and finding the exact lid you need in seconds. No frustration, no clutter. Bonus, it fits lids up to 9 inches wide and requires 0 tools to assemble. Snap it together and start organizing instantly. If your spice drawer looks like a mini tornado hit it, the Edelhaus Square Spice Jar Set will be your new best friend. These sleek glass jars with bamboo lids and pre-printed labels instantly elevate your spice game while keeping everything neat and uniform. The airtight seal keeps your spices fresh, and the minimalist aesthetic fits perfectly into modern kitchen decor. Ideal for home cooks, foodies, or anyone tired of rummaging through mismatched containers. Just imagine opening your spice drawer and seeing beautifully labeled jars lined up like a Pinterest board. If you've ever feared slicing your fingers with a traditional mandolin, the Dash Safe Slice Mandolin Slicer is your new best friend. Its clever design keeps your hands far from the blades while letting you slice, dice, julienne, and more with absolute precision. With 30-plus preset thickness options, it's perfect for health nuts, veggie lovers, or anyone who wants to speed up meal prep without sacrificing safety. Need paper-thin cucumbers for a salad or julienne carrots for a stir-fry? Done in seconds. Bonus, it includes a food catch container, so cleanup is minimal and counter mess is contained. Say goodbye to hand cramps and awkward twists. The Ultrian manual can and bottle opener is built with oversized ergonomic handles and a smooth turning mechanism that makes opening cans and bottles nearly effortless. The rust-resistant stainless steel blade cuts through cans like butter, while the built-in bottle opener adds extra value. It's a must-have for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone looking for a comfortable, sturdy kitchen essential. Picture opening canned tomatoes for pasta sauce. Quick, easy, no wrist pain. Bonus: it looks sleek, feels premium, and is surprisingly lightweight for its strength. Say goodbye to single-use plastic and hello to the future of food storage with Stasher silicone sandwich bags. These reusable, airtight, and leak-proof bags are made from food-grade silicone and are safe for the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, even sous vide. They're perfect for eco-conscious families, school lunches, or anyone meal prepping for the week. Toss in a sandwich, some fruit, or even marinated chicken. These bags can handle it all. Bonus: they come in fun colors and last for years, saving you money and reducing waste. Drying lettuce has never felt this fun. The Farberware Pump Salad Spinner uses a pump action handle to spin greens dry in seconds, no manual cranking or flimsy cords. The non-slip base keeps it stable, and the inner basket doubles as a colander. It's great for salad lovers, vegans, or anyone who wants crisp greens without soggy dressing disasters. Picture this. You rinse your romaine, give it a few pumps, and boom, dry, crunchy lettuce ready to go. Bonus: the clear bowl looks sleek and can double as a serving dish. Tired of scrubbing baking sheets? The Gorilla Grip reusable silicone baking mats are here to save your sanity and your pans. These non-stick mats replace parchment paper and cooking sprays, giving you perfectly even bakes without the mess. They're heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and fit most standard trays, making them ideal for cookie lovers, meal preppers, or anyone trying to cut down on waste. Bake a batch of chocolate chip cookies, no sticking, no tearing, no cleanup stress. Bonus: flipping delicate foods just got a serious upgrade. The Mercer Culinary Mini Turner is a pro-grade spatula with a flexible, ultra-thin stainless steel blade that slides under cookies, eggs, or fish with surgical precision. Perfect for bakers, brunch fans, or anyone tired of mangled pancakes. It's small but mighty think precision tool for your breakfast or baking sessions. Try it with sautéed mushrooms or turning bacon clean flips. No tearing. Bonus: it's heat resistant and NSF certified, so it's restaurant quality in your home kitchen. Meet the basting brush that doesn't drip, splatter, or make a mess. Introducing the Dream Farm Bristle Basting Brush. Its flexible silicone bristles and clever slow-release design hold liquids inside the brush, releasing just enough as you tilt it. Think of it as a sauce dropper and spreader in one. It's great for barbecue fans, bakers, or anyone who loves precision in the kitchen. Whether you're glazing pastries or adding sauce to ribs, this brush gives you control without the cleanup hassle. Bonus: it stands upright on its own to avoid countertop messes. Say hello to a cutting board that's as functional as it is beautiful. The Lipper International Bamboo Cutting Board offers a durable, knife-friendly surface with non-slip rubber edges to keep it steady while you chop. It's ideal for home cooks, veggie choppers, or anyone tired of boards that slip and slide all over the counter. Chop onions, dice herbs, or slice bread. This board stays put and looks sleek while doing it. Craving cafe-quality coffee at home? The Breville Bambino espresso machine delivers rich, velvety espresso with a compact footprint and lightning-fast heat-up time. You get professional results with just the push of a button, no barista skills required. It's perfect for espresso lovers, busy mornings, or anyone who's done paying $6 for lattes. Picture this: fresh espresso in 3 seconds flat, plus a powerful steam wand for silky smooth foam. Trash isn't glamorous, but the simple human rectangular step trash can makes it feel high-tech. With a sturdy steel foot pedal and soft close lid, it opens effortlessly and shuts silently. Plus, it has dual compartments for separating recyclables and trash in one sleek unit. It's perfect for eco-conscious households, minimalist kitchens, or anyone who values cleanliness without fuss. Toss your scraps, close the lid, and keep your kitchen looking and smelling fresh. Check out the description for all the product links to grab yours today. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching Prep Home Happy Cooking.